Empress Marcy. It's got the inside of the goat. What are you going to be doing with this?
Fry up. Fry.
Fry.
Mm-hmm.
Fry. Where they are cleaning up the goat and cutting it up. Alright, Grandma, what are you doing right now?
Taking the hair of the cow, the goat's foot.
Just taking the hair off. And they're cutting up the meat real nice.
Fresh meat.
But your losses are gain.
Yep.
And there's the goat's head. I'm glad I wasn't here for the death, but I will be here for the meal.
I'm especially one here for you know one time.
I don't like to watch, but I like the taste. Yes, she miss out.
Why you never go?
She's there asleep.
I found them here. If the boy is there doing too.
Look at that.
I found them here then, sir.
So beautiful.
You never know what's today.
Yeah. Careful with your zoom.
So Uncle Pretty, you're Rasta, you eat goats? Uncle Seymour? I thought that's what they call him. Uncle Seymour. Uncle Seymour. You're Rasta, you eat goat? No?
You just
interrogate him.
No. You just assisting his sisters them.
Me good man.
Yeah?
I do up, man. No good.
Me no goat. It's breakfast time in Jamaica. As you can see, I'm sweating. It's very hot. But we're enjoying it, and I'm making some Johnny cakes, callaloo, and I just made some goat liver and kidney. So that's what's happening. What is callaloo? It's a green vegetable. I think maybe you can find it in other Caribbean countries but with different name. But in Jamaica we call it callaloo. It's also in Africa with a different name as well. But it's similar to spinach but tastes better.
And not the same as collard greens, right?
Yeah, no, collard greens is hard. It takes a very long time to cook. This we can just steam it and it's ready in no time. And delicious. Doesn't need any meat or any fish. Well, we normally have it with saltfish. And very nutritious.
Yeah. You auntie? Huh? If you don't leave me alone, you see.
No, I'm going for mango number 3. We want to see how much you can eat today.
You're not just better.
Until then, let me see mango seed.
No, I'm not sure. Fire in there.
He's over the gang. He's over the gang.
But you want to start your case if you guys.
Come on, mango no bad night.
Yeah, everything happened.
I'm going over here, so no fish. Fish, and more fish. Take out a big one there, Auntie Sharon, see?
You must know where you're going to go. No, it's not green light.
What kind of fish then?
Mudfish. Mudfish. Yeah.
Three lazy people. No, not 3, 2. Sorry, Auntie Lila. Look at Feast, East Indian. Why when we go back to America, I'm gonna cry. Whereas if you not eat as much, you know, when you see it, it's like you can't really eat as much as you think you would not able to eat. And when you go back home, you say, it made it no, man.
I said that I was able to put somewhere and it was trying to put somewhere. They put that kid as well. I make them go and work on it. You never thought how we did the last week? You never did it. Birthday here.
Yeah.
little piece here with the silver cut.
Yeah, man.
They ain't too terrible, man. Like they're not used to road. No, but I saw Junior did it. When he made it the last time.
Yeah, Junior?
So, you know, I thought they may bust them.
One more week, my family will be all separated again. Uncle Franklin, hi. Mid-seat, say hi. Hi. Cup of tea.
So they might look you one again. I don't know. What? Yeah,
Can't see the chop on the cover.
I see his name not tell nobody.
Jesus.
Yeah. So that one then.
And I only just know that.
Yeah, not tell nobody. This a curry now. You tell somebody.
You can't come back to them. I saw myself here in the garage. I put a mango
Garlic.
Yeah. Onion.
Something wrong with him?
Scallion, green onion, whatever they call it.
From mango to corn and Sharon.
Yeah. With a pan of road.
What's wrong with me, girl?
The
It's good. It's Jamaican
cloud
corn.
in the crack, you know. The cloud in the
That's the
crack.
man, you can't lose on it. But they're not going to lie to you like that. When this Steve want to stop at the other corn, man, and say sweet corn. I said, okay, my God, this is a sweet corn. I say, okay, bye. I don't want it. Let me just one finger when them are roast started. Trust me. When the pig? What are you saying to the man?
Real roast corn. This is not the real deal.
Then I asked them, I can't remember just buy.
Yeah.
And not only one man on the stretch of road have this corn.
Everybody down in Jamaica don't have sweet corn.
I mean, where you call it sweet corn?
Yeah.
Hell no.
I eat around the place down there.
Me tell them, me say no. The Rasta man, that's why I tell us I like Rasta man. Because they always honest and article. You there? Yes? The brother say, yeah, big up, big up. A true man, when they tell you, I say go. And me come and rush the first one because of that, for just to check on it real. Real food we can. Big up. Yeah? He said next 2 months you can get dry can, but right now I them this year, they're not dry yet.
Oh.
Yeah. Real our can this, yeah? Over there, sweet can.
I'm going to run some rice on the stove.
It's like off your, that's all a small one to one of mine.
So you have to make sure you turn it for how you want it then. Because me like mine like running, so. You know like mine. Just don't make no fly pitch on it.
I don't know, Jeffrey.
Yes, I got the young season for the crab. I currently can touch down the steel, you know. Yeah, preparation for crab, yeah? We'll show them.
Alright, then let's see the preparation for the crab.
Yeah, curry.
Let's see.
See?
It's a bun
Sweet
up.
real thing, no fake.
Yeah, it's a bun up.
Come on, top back till you're ready. The fly them come out on the numbers.
You want to pop up in pop up on here.
Curry smell nice when it burn.
You know it's good curry. You roast yours already?
No, the coconut no. Yeah, I see you eat them together otherwise.
Come from the road, Sharon. Remember Sharon was eating the earlier? You watch her episode then? That's a one who
We got one runner.
It's up.
We got a runner. Put that shit on, brother.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want that.
Yeah. Maybe plant this switch, but then me say that many plants you but I don't know if it is deep enough for holy juice, you know? Like crab, no. I remember say the crab them now shrink because of shell.
Carry upon them when you have been done.
It looks like I can learn swim there.
I want to take myself and I made up to me there cook. I made up the Jeff last night. Why am I going to take
You buy bun one day, we got back about it. No one did yesterday. Not the one day.
Yeah. So the crab is a killing. Look at that. Curry crab is a killing. Catch that. Yeah? Mad thing, mad thing. Curry crab. Like me say, no wood leg, real deal.
Crab.
Yeah.
They're only covering half the face. And on top of that,
Outdoor king.
you know, they have so much copper
Yeah.
filled up over there.
Soup ready enough, eh?
Hey, go with me, can you know what I got this Girl, bright. No, come on, scrape it. Mama said, pull up, come on, scrape it. Hey, sir. I'm trying to make you number one for water.
Dumpling of fly curry. Dumpling of fly.
Manish water go on over there, so.
Yeah. Curry, you can do.
Me. I'm going to go out right now and so sleep.
Incredible, something not going to come to there.
Oh, we can't even see the soup pots. There's steam.
That's a soup pot here, Bobby, man. You know the fire alive. You see it like that, you know, say fire alive. What we say fire do? Fire alive. So see the work we are working, and the chicken we are jerk.
Manish water.
You can see it?
Soup ya cook on the chicken.
No, we don't cook manish water. We cook soup and we manish water.
No manish water.
Table this one, pour it on the table where you need. You know, so the ram goat one of them buy.
So then I have man go, I have pumpkin and all kind of something as well. That's soup. One of them.
I buy yesterday, I buy ram goat today.
Go in there, go for them.
Go and throw the wallet.
But this man is going to eat the far five. You may not get that one then. You don't think so. You don't think so.
No, chef, I'm back in Sakia. I'm a first of my word. No, chef, if you're back a pasta when you can't look
But that's one of the garbage.
That's all yes, that's all them. And people in them African, that's all African. It was fun. If you got in place, go buy the can from the woman where Rosie, she has to sell coconut chicken.
How much you want?
Interesting.
That's the third one.
You know, Stefan was saying, I have to
1, 2, 1, you store it. That's fine.
No soup, no.
We just normally just eat egg.
Some more there in case you need. Taste it first.
Rinse off two white pepper put in, two white green one. Or one. No matter no spice, just rinse one because kids are going to drink it too.
Yeah, man, the thing open up. And every time I come here, I look bigger and bigger.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I learned from what I can.
Yeah. So see there. Goat soup, good to go. Nice and rich. Look at that. Yeah. See there. Whole heap of body like the goat did a workout. Yeah man. Whole heap of body. No artificial thing. Yeah. So this ready for the go. Alright. Take over the goat side and you can see how it goes. Yeah, go to my soup pot. China, go to my soup pot. You can go and go rest. Yeah, welcome to Jamdong. Yeah. Running some curry goat, yeah? Down to earth style. Need to get tenderized till it should. Eatable. So I probably don't even need no more water.
Can't burn up, man. It's my roast can here. Yeah? I'm fit answer to one name when I'm me. You can go to prison.